So you remember how I said before that Justin Baldoni countersued for defamation? Well, as it turns out, California has a privilege, which is the fair reporting privilege, which says that you can't be sued for defamation if you are basically reporting about a lawsuit that has been filed or that you are shortly going to file. Well, she did. She sent that complaint from California. She thereafter filed a lawsuit. So the judge said, that's out of here. But California went further, and after the Me Too movement, enacted this new statute, 47.1, which says that if you are being sued for defamation because you complained or told anyone about sexual harassment, you can sue that person right back, and you can get all sorts of amazing damages. You can get punitive damages, which is meant to punish and deter, and that could be like huge. It could even be a factor of how much money the person that you're suing has. But also being sued for treble damages, triple the damages of any monetary loss that you've had. And you can also sue for attorney's fees. So check this out. The case was settled. They filed this notice of settlement. In there it says that Blake Lively reserves all of her rights to still go after Baldoni under this California law, 47.1, to basically slap him back for suing her for defamation. And she went ahead and made a motion to the court saying, give me all of these damages under California 47.1. I want my treble damages, I want my punitive damages, and I want my attorney's fees. So Judge Lyman, in his decision on June 12th of this month, went ahead and said yes and no. That if Blake Lively really wanted to have those treble damages and the punitive damages, what she should have done, what her lawyers should have done, was bring a counterclaim to the defamation action, meaning Justin Baldoni goes ahead and sues her for defamation, and then she counterclaims, but that wasn't done. And then she could have had the right to sue for those damages. But because she didn't, she can't now bring an argument that she is entitled to those damages in her post-settlement motion. However, she is allowed, because it's a federal procedure in this post-trial motion, to claim attorney's fees, because she sued under what's known as Federal Rule of Civil Procedure 54, which allows you to sue for attorney's fees after a case when you're entitled to it. And she is under 47.1 of the California law. So the judge said, I'm not going to give you the treble damages. I'm not going to give you the punitive damages, but I'm going to give you the attorney's fees. And so that is the last gasp of air in this case. And we are waiting for a hearing on how much of the attorney's fees that Justin Baldoni has to pay Blake Lively for defending this defamation case. So there you go. That is the case in a nutshell. I hope it clarifies things. I hope it makes it easy to understand. And that's what we have. And stay tuned, and we'll let you know what happens with the amount of the attorney's fees. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.